Basically, it boils down to it teaches you instead of just giving you the stuff. And that's why I came to Discovery, because I like that teaching style.
I feel like you're learning a lot more and not just you learn the same information you need to learn, but you learn more that I think is going to be useful.
It does get challenging depending on what we're doing.
You get to choose something you're passionate about, and then you get to do a project about it.
My group figured out that if you actually create a static current around plants for your home garden or whatever, it takes very little electricity and you can actually grow crops just like in your home.
Well, we do take tests here, but you're going to learn it because you have to learn it yourself. They're going to give you a bit of information, they're going to take that information and make you learn more from it.
There's some things for math that are kind of obvious, like chemistry or architecture, but then there's some practical stuff like finance, and then even things I wouldn't even think of, like game design or movie making.
I like the open environment and the way that they have certain electives. For me, I take cosplay and biomimicry.
I think the community, because everybody's really nice and it's just a really good atmosphere. The teachers, they're like kind and they accept everybody no matter like who they are.
The teachers aren't going to teach you themselves, they're going to make you teach each other and work together to teach you fully. The teachers here do allow you to challenge them.
We have PLT time every day, which is personal learning time, and that is a lot of time for student and teacher conferences.
10 out of 10. Yeah, I love it here.